Let's find out which version of Fire TV you have in 10 seconds or less. Here's how. Press and hold down the home button on the Fire TV remote and then go to Settings. Now go to My Fire TV, then press About. And now if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, it says Device Type, and then right under that is the Fire TV version that you are using. But a better way to find out which version of Fire TV you're using is to use this app. This app is Device Info. I'll show you how to install this in just a second. But once you open this app, you can see that it shows you a dashboard with all of your RAM usage, so you can see how well your Fire TV is performing. And in the top left corner, it shows you the model name of the Fire TV. And as you can see, this is AFTKA. We can do a quick web search for that model number, AFTKA. And then as you can see in the first result, deviceatlas.com, you can see this model number corresponds to Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max 1st Gen. And it tells you the year that this device came out. So this method is actually my preferred method to find out the Fire TV version because it tells you the generation, the year it comes out, and it gives you this link so you can read more about the exact Fire Stick that you have. In addition to that, the Device Info app gives you these tabs at the top of the screen, like the Device tab, so you can see more info. You have the System tab to see what version of Android you have. You can see how many CPU cores you have in the CPU tab. You can see how strong the Wi-Fi signal strength is in the Network tab. Check out how much storage space is available in the Storage tab. You can see details about the display that your Fire TV is attached to, such as the resolution and the screen size. And last but not least, we have a list of all the apps installed on this Fire TV. You can also hit this little button up here and select System Apps to view the system apps that are installed as well. So, like I said, this is my preferred method for getting the Fire TV version because it shows you the RAM, it tells you all this other information. And by the way, on my Fire TV Cube, this actually showed the temperature of the device in here as well, but it's not working on my Fire TV Stick. So that's something you might check out on the battery tab and see if the temperature appears. So that's the Device Info app. I'll show you how to install that app right now. Just hold the Alexa voice button and say Device Info, and then select this icon here, and then just press Install and Open, and you'll see this screen here. Okay, so last but not least, there is a shortcut that you can install. Just hold the Alexa voice button and say Device Info Shortcut. And then in the Apps and Games category, just select Device Info Shortcut right here and install that app, open it, and then every time after that you open this app, it will take you right to the Device Info page. So that's it for how to get the device info, but it is important to know this because older Fire TVs are pretty limited. So if you wonder why your Fire TV is running slowly, then you should check out the version of Fire TV you have to make sure you're not using a really old Fire TV, because if that's the case, then it's not going to run those newer apps efficiently or quickly. In addition to that, you can see if your Fire TV supports whatever features you need, such as 4K resolution. And last but not least, if you use this Device Info app here, you will get that benefit of viewing the RAM usage of your Fire TV as well as your internal storage and other information like that. So if this helped you, smash that like button and press subscribe.